Hello. Oh, right. New toy has just arrived. I've never done an unboxing video before. And I'm just doing this for me. I might not even put it up on YouTube because I'm very excited because this I've been waiting for just over 7 months now. I ordered this back in end of October, beginning of November. It's now June. And it's from the wonderful people at Andertons. Well, the box is anyway. What's inside the box? Oh, we're starting to. It's from the wonderful people at EVH. And I, like you, probably, if you're watching this, was cut your leg. More upset than I expected to be back in October when we lost Eddie. Yeah, childhood hero. He's the guitarist I wanted to be. I was obsessed with him when I was sort of 12, 13 and since then. And so yeah, we lost him and I thought to myself, well, life's too short and you haven't bought a guitar for ages. And then I went on the EVH site and noticed that they were doing a replica or a recreation of the 5150. I've never been obsessed with the Frankenstein. Beautiful guitar. But the 5150, I mean, first time I saw it live without a net, that was it. That guitar. And EVH make them now, but there's quite a wait. Cool. It's made in Fender's Mexican facility. Ooh. And this is exciting. This has come all the way from Mexico. So, nice lumpy bit of foam there. Tremolo arm and documents and probably the Allen keys in there, and oh, I can see it. Ready? 12-year-old me is doing backflips right now. Oh wow. Oh wow, we'll explore that in a bit. I can't believe I'm holding it. I mean, delivery was looking like it was going to push down into August, September, October time. But happily, it was looking more like June, and then I got an email to say it's on its way. So that was very unexpected. There's a little setup thing that's attached. Oh, I say. I've looked at so many pictures of this, so many YouTube videos. Just looking for a little hairline crack, which some have had. Oh. And the sun's gone in. Look at that. I'm trying to think of something to say about it other than wow. That is even nicer than I thought it was going to be. These are all hand painted with, you know, this is not an applied finish. God, it's the off-white as well. It's you know, they paint it white and then they stripe it up and I think it's white and then black and then red using tape. That is, and then obviously afterwards you get the 5150 stickers, and there's a little star in there and another star up there, and it's got the Stinger headstock, which is what Ed had on his. A little step there, that's lovely. And this is just wonderful. Who assembled it? Poncho assembled it. Thanks, Poncho. Thanks, Enoch, for prepping it. Thanks, Poncho, for wiring it. And yo, yeah, what a thing. Now, I doubt very much whether it's in tune. No, it's not in tune. So this is going to be tuned and plugged in and played to death. I love it. Yeah, there we go. That is an EVH 5150. And I'm very happy. Right, time to get this neck dirty. Thanks for watching. See you in a bit.